What's up, guys? Today we're gonna work on this 2000 Ford Explorer. So we're gonna replace the hood struts and the window struts and then the latch door hatch. We got all the parts from Amazon. Oh, I guess that's, oops, empty. I guess that's for the hood, and then lift support front, set of 2. Rear window glass. Lift gate. All right, so that's for the lift gate. There's 1. There's 2. What is this? Installation instructions. One down. Put it right there. And then let's try this one. And let's go on this side. All right, so in order for this to get off, so we have to push the latch up and then pull it out, or pull this one out or that one out. All right. Let's see. Let's try to hold it from this hand and hold this up. There you go. It's up. There you go. And then, oh, it's heavy. And then snap this button. Alright, we got that pushed in. Now we're going for the second one right there. So we just need to push it up and snap. There we go. That's it. So we're gonna do it on the same one on this one. So we're gonna push it up and then pull. Right. We got the new ones in and the old ones out. All right, now we're gonna try on the latch. That's trash. Let's close it. Open it. See, it's not. If you can see, it's not opening. Yeah, let's try to do it. Same thing right there. And now let's go on the other side. There we go. So same theory, lift it up and pull out. Same thing on there, up. Now we're gonna drop it because I forgot to drop it there. Gosh, I forgot to open this, so I'll be right back. Looks the same with the hood. Are they the same? Let's try to open it. There they are. Please read before 10 pieces install. Oh, it requires 2 people. So that's what I did. It would not support. Alright, this is for the hood. Oh wow, they look actually the same, but they're not. This is smaller. The glass one, I don't know. Let's take a look. The glass one has a longer body right there than this one for the hood. See the difference? Shorter. Alright, so now that's the difference between the front and then for the rear. Now let's try to get this up. Let's put it up right here where we can reach it. So let's see if it's right. It's open again. Here's the new one. And let's try to snap it right there. Snapped. And now for see, snap. There you go. That's it. And now let's go for the next one. So we're gonna push it up. And drop. Get the new one. Snap it in. There you go. And then there. That's it. Yep. Let's try it one more time. There you go. Now let's try the latch. It's good. It's full up. Yeah. Try it one more time. Awesome. All right, now let's try to put that one. Hood. Pop the hood. One hold. String it up. One hold. All right. There it is. So it's gonna be the same. Spin right there. Right, since it won't hold, I have to put our own support right there, or whatever you call that. So same thing over here. Here. Oh, came off. With one hand on the camera, one hand on this one. Without that support, that would knock me out. There you go. Got easier. So let's match it. Okay, that looks good. So it's male and female. There you go. There's only two. And snap on. That's it. Alright, let's do the same thing on this side. There we go. And then there you go. Life got a little easier with that. So them two in there, and then the new one. Let's compare it. Okay, that looks good. Let's attach it. There you go. It's locked in. All right, the moment of truth again. All right, let's put the old ones there, and let's remove this support. There we go. Support right there. Let's lock it. Oh, okay, good thing. And let's see. Voila. All right, it's looking good. Down, let's bring it up. Yes, sir. All right, guys, that's it for now. Replacing all the struts, hood strut, liftgate strut, and the window liftgate window strut. Thanks for watching. See ya.